Okay. So students, let's start with the algebraic expression and the identity stuff. Fine. Okay. Now, of course, few of the identities we already did in the factorization. So I think if you people have done the factorization in a very good way, you people won't face any difficulty, much difficulty. Of course, I'll recap everything, but yes.
Is it okay if we can do comparing quantities?
Uh, um, let me, Naisha, when you have your exam?
Ma'am, 3rd November.
Okay, so let's just finish this because actually your counselor told me to start this. I don't know why.
Okay.
Because I think Chakrika is also getting the Chakrika you are getting it, Gauri is getting it.
I'm getting this.
Okay, Gauri, you are already done with the exams, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. So let's just finish this algebraic expression, then I'll start with the comparing quantities. And in case Naisha, let's just go with this, and we can have an extra class as well. No worries for that. So
Yes,
whatever
ma'am.
chapters you feel like you are not confident in, you can just reach out to your counselor, and we'll schedule the extra class. Okay.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
ma'am, even my exams are over and algebraic expression identities they are teaching me now.
Okay. So let's just finish this, and after that, accordingly, we'll plan. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Hmm. Okay. So now over here, algebraic expression, I hope everybody knows, right? In algebraic expression and identities, the only thing you should remember, there are few rules. Okay. And the rule says, first of all, if I hope like, for example, 2x plus y. In this, what is the x? What is the name of x?
Variable.
Variable. And okay, sorry. And what is this 2? Anyone else? Naeem, Naisha, Khadija, Gauri. What is this 2?
Ma'am, it is the coefficient of x.
Yes, coefficient of x. Okay, and what is this 10?
Ma'am, this is the constant.
Yes. Others, Gauri, Khadija, Naeem was not there, but you people were there. What happened? Forget this.
No, ma'am.
Then,
Yes, ma'am.
now it's clear. If any x, y, z, a, b, c, d, they all are variable, and any number associated with them, with variable, that is the coefficient, and the number which is all alone, not associated with the variable, that is the constant. I hope I'm loud enough. You people
Yes,
can,
Yes, ma'am.
because I'm
ma'am.
so in case if I go loud, go low, just let me know. Okay. Okay, I hope this is clear to everybody. You can write down as your notebook because on the basis of this, we'll make some rules that we need to follow this. Okay, just write it down. And there, okay, just wait. Let me just explain the rules as well. There are some rules that we will be following. We will never add one variable plus constant. No. If, for example, 2 plus x, you cannot add it. Fine. So variable plus constant, you will never add it. Fine. Yes. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. But for example, there are two variables. Variable plus variable. Just like same variables. Same variable. Then you will add it. But for example, over here you have x plus y. No. If you have the different variable, you cannot even add it. Clear? Getting my point?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
variable and constant, you cannot add it. You can multiply it, but you cannot add it or not subtract. Okay. Plus minus. And the variable, if they are same, for example, x plus x, you can write 2x. But for example, x plus y, you cannot further solve it. Okay? Yes? Getting my point, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. But for example, over here, one variable is with constant. Like for example, 2x plus 3. You cannot solve it. But if it is 2x plus x, you can write 3x. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this should be very careful. Just write it down. And then we'll start with some question. Let's see how. Basically, you have to add it, subtract it, but you should know what to add, what you can, because most of the students do it like this. 2 plus x,
Hmm.
they write 2x. So you should be careful. Multiply you can do, but not subtraction and addition. Okay. Good evening, Ronnie. You joined so late. What happened?
Ma'am,
Am
I
I
was
audible? Can you hear me?
ma'am, I was in the toilet.
Ronnie, what happened? Ronnie, am I audible?
Ma'am, I was in the toilet.
You are not audible. Be loud or type it. Hmm. Hmm. You should be sticking to your time, right? Yes or no? Because I will not wait for you. I can only wait for 2-3 minutes, not more than that. So I basically today we are starting a new concept, new chapter. I'm expecting you to be regular in this class. Okay, and on time. So basically, this is what we did. This number is coefficient of x. This x, y, z, whatever it is, they are variable. And the number which is all alone, that is the constant. Okay. There are few rules that you need to remember, that one variable and one constant term cannot be added, cannot be subtracted. And same variable, you can add it. But if one variable is different and another variable is different, you cannot add it, you cannot subtract it. Okay, for example, one variable is with constant and another number is only constant. Again, you cannot add it. Okay, but if both of the numbers are with this, then you can add. So these are some rules that you need to write, because I'll give you the question. There you have to apply these rules only and then you have to add it simply. Okay. Okay, everybody has finished? Students finished? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
No.
Okay, anyone who's still writing? Yes, no?
No, ma'am.
No? Okay. So I will give you one question. I just want to see how you people basically put it, and I just want you to people to try at least. I will just give a hint. Okay? Fine?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Here is the question. You have to add it. So this one is the first one, this one is the second, and this one is the third. So I basically write it like this. Plus 5yz minus 3zx. I wrote it. Now over here is 4yz. So where will I write? I will write it here or I will write it here? Tell me.
Ma'am, can you repeat?
This is the first equation, okay? You have to add this, this, and this. Now I have to put it here, right? The second equation. Okay. So where will I write it? Tell me. Will I write or here?
4yz you have to write near 5yz.
Yes, correct. Good, Chakrika. Good, Naisha. So because it is YZ, I told you, na, you cannot write it here because you cannot add it. This is XY and this is YZ. So I'll write it here 4YZ. Now this Y, this 9ZX, where I will write here, here,
3zx.
here only. So
Yes,
plus
ma'am.
9ZX. And this
X.
minus 4Y is nothing. So I can write it here, leaving it all alone.
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Now
And
this
ma'am,
one
the -3xz you have to write
here.
separate.
No,
Sorry, yeah.
here. XZ or ZX, they are the same thing. Okay.
Yes,
So 3AB or 3BA, both are the same thing. So over here, it's okay. So you'll write it here. Okay. And this 5X, obviously
I have
separately.
to write separately, and
And 2XY
2xy you
here.
have to write near 7xy.
Okay. Now you people have to add it. Can you people try it
Yes,
once?
yes,
Others, Naeem, Ronnie, Khadija, Gauri, Chakrika.
yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Or you got it? How I arranged it basically?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
You
ma'am.
arranged it according to the variables.
And the one which doesn't have a variable, I'll just leave them alone.
Ma'am, can you repeat it again? I didn't get it
Okay.
properly.
Okay. So first I wrote this first equation. Then over here, the second one was 4yz. So of course, I cannot write it here because the variables are not matching. So I wrote it here. Fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Then 9zx, of course, here because it gets matched from here. And then the last was minus 4y. There is no one minus 4y, so I left it alone. I write it side. Okay. Now in this question, minus 3xz. So of course you cannot write it here because it is xz. Here you can write because if it is AB or BA, both are the same. It's xz or zx, they are the same thing. I wrote it here. Okay. Then second
Yes,
was
ma'am.
5x. No one is here. Of course I can, so I'll write it separately here. And then minus 2y, I'll put it here because this is xy and this is also xy. Clear to everybody? Yes. So instead, you if you people are getting confused here, you can write zx only directly here because write this or this, they are the same. Okay. So quickly add it up all. Good, Chakrika, it's correct.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Ma'am, how do we add squares again?
Huh?
Squares.
In multiplication, you write squares, no? Not here.
No, sir. No, no, ma'am, like adding squares, like 5x squared plus x, like that.
It will be x3,
Ma'am,
5x square plus X.
Yes, ma'am.
This you cannot solve it. One is
Oh,
square and one is single. Okay.
ma'am, what if it has a coefficient before it?
No, over here, if it will be question, then I'll teach you. You have to take common and then bifurcate it and then solve it.
Ah, okay. Yes, yes, ma'am.
I'll teach you. Don't worry.
Yes.
Name, the first one is wrong. First one.
Ma'am, it's 5.
Yes, it will be 5. You just missed this minus here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, everybody got it?
Ma'am, can I tell the answer?
Okay, wait. Gauri, Khadija, Ronnie, you people got the answers?
Yes, ma'am. Wait a minute. I'm just typing.
Okay. Others, Khadija and Ronnie? Okay, type it quickly. Everybody type it because I don't want anyone to copy it. Maybe I'll say it and you'll say yes. Quickly type it, everybody.
Ma'am, I don't know how to write the sign plus in the laptop.
Okay, leave it then.
Ma'am, should I just tell the answer?
Okay, in the laptop, if you will click on shift, okay, and when there are numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, and then 1, and there would be a plus sign in the uppercase.
Yes, ma'am.
So shift and that button. So you'll type plus.
Okay, ma'am.
Just try. Maybe in your laptop, I don't know how the numeric is, but yeah. Shift, if any number is written above, then shift and that you press it. Ronnie, you did the mistake in the first one and the third one. Gauri, it's correct for you. Ronnie, the first one and the third one is wrong. Khadija, you are doing it. Khadija. No, the number is wrong. Just think it's plus minus, something like that, Ronnie. Plus minus minus, something like that. Okay, Naisha, you are done typing? Yes, correct. Okay. So students, now I am doing it. All of you got the right answer, but Ronnie, you did some mistakes. So have a look. First of all, it is plus minus. Right? This is positive number and this is negative number. So what you will do? Add or subtract? Tell me.
What, ma'am?
This is positive number and this is negative number. So what you will do? Addition or subtraction?
Subtraction.
Right. Plus minus is minus. So from 7, if you will subtract 2, you are left with 5. So you got 5xy. And of course, 7 is greater. So positive sign will be there. Then here they both are positive. So you will add it. So plus 9yz. Now in this scenario, first you will solve these two. So plus minus, minus. So you got minus 6 this and then minus 3zx. Yes. So minus minus plus. Yes. So 6, 7, 8, 9. So you got minus zx. Yes. Oh, sorry. Sorry. Plus minus. Okay, sorry. Plus minus it is. I just wrote minus. Plus minus. So you'll get 3zx. Clear? And here is nothing. So minus 4y and here is also nothing. So 5x. Done with everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Only Naisha is getting others. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now I'll give you the same question for the subtraction. But for subtraction, there is a trick. Okay, it's not same like the addition. There are some twists. Here you go. So first of all, they have written from. So that means this will come first and this will come in second. So first I will write it like this. 7x square minus 4xy plus 8y square plus 5x minus 3y. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now
Yes,
over
ma'am.
here in this, now you have to write this. So of course it will come here and
Yes, ma'am.
this will come here minus 4y and this 6y would come here plus 6y and this 3 would come here. Oh, sorry.
No.
Plus 6y would come here and this 3 would come here. Done?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, in this we have a trick. You usually follow. Whatever signs are there for this one, the second term, you will change it. For example, here it was positive, so new sign is negative. There is nothing, so leave it like this. Okay? If there is negative, so it will become positive. There is positive, so it will become negative. This is also negative, so it will become positive. Clear to everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Now,
Ma'am,
can you solve
so
it?
the
Yes.
so the 5x square will become minus 5x square and the minus 4y square will become plus 4y.
Yes, very good. So now this 5x square, this is their old sign, you have to forget it. Now you will consider the new sign. So minus 5x and plus. So plus minus minus. Clear? And here now this is not minus 4yz. This is positive 4yz. Now this is not 6y. This is negative 6y. Now this is not negative 3. This is positive 3. So whatever you will be considering, you will considering the new sign, not the previous one. Fine with everybody? See, earlier in case if there was not this, you would have done 7 and 5. You would have added it. Yes or no? But now one number is negative. This is negative 5x. So you will subtract. Getting my point? What I want to say?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Only Naeem is getting others. Khadija,
Yes,
Naisha,
ma'am.
Nori,
Yes,
sorry,
ma'am.
Khadija. Yes. So now
Yes, ma'am.
these signs, whatever it is, you have to write opposite and solve it accordingly. Using the new signs. See, previous one, the first one would remain same only, whatever sign they have. But this one you will change. Okay? So quickly write it down. That means write it and then solve it and tell me the answer.
Mom, when we keep the sign of the number which we change after, right?
Sorry.
Like, for suppose for minus 3y plus x 6y,
Hmm.
after we get the like after we get the answer, we keep the sign of the bigger number, but after we change it, right?
Yes, then this you don't have to consider these signs at all. Only the new signs. Even
Okay,
to check who is greater, you have to check the new sign.
okay.
Just forget about the old sign.
Yes,
Okay?
ma'am. I'm done, ma'am.
Chakrika and Gauri, good. Very good. Correct. Is it minus 9x or plus 9x? 9y, sorry. Khadija? Just check it once, the sign. Okay. Others? And for the last one also, Khadija, it's not 3y. It's the single 3. From where you got y? Okay, others? You got it?
1 second, I'm typing.
Naeem? Ronnie? A good night. So it's correct. Boys, what happened? Naeem, Ronnie, didn't get it? Or what happened? Naeem, you there? Ronnie?
Ma'am, I sent it.
Okay.
Ma'am, I was typing the time when you were calling me.
Okay, okay. Okay. Naeem, is it minus 2x square?
No, ma'am.
Really? Okay, it's not. Na? Okay, then it's correct. Good. Ronnie, you there? Ronnie? You're done with the answer? Quickly write it down. Or just say it loud. Ronnie, you got it? The answer. I have to move. Yes, no, just tell me. In case you didn't get it, no worries. I'll explain it. Okay, okay. Type it. Quick, quick, quick.
Ma'am, did you see something?
Ronnie, when I explain the things, you don't listen or what? What I said, you will be considering the new sign. Yes or no? So that means if this is positive, this is negative. So plus minus is plus. Mm-hmm. Tell me. So plus minus is minus. So what you will get here? 2x square. And of course, 7 is greater, so positive. So why you wrote 12x square? And in this case also, that was correct. This one. Plus, plus, plus. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And who is greater? Of course, 8. So plus. You will copy it here. And in this case, minus, 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 plus. So you will add it. 9y. Who is greater? 6. So minus. And here, plus 3. Yes or no? Ronnie, how you got 0 here? Where is this 5? Clear to everybody how we get this?
Yes, ma'am.
Khadija, you also got what mistake you did basically?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now I am giving you few questions. You have to add it all. Like all of them. Then we will do the question where we will multiply. Sorry, subtract. So 8.1 for you people. Be very careful while solving this. Okay. Good.
Ma'am, don't understand what to do in the second one.
Okay, second one. AB plus. Correct, good. Second one. Why, Naisha? What happened?
Ma'am, because
Just put it
everything.
these three. These three. and these three. If everything is all, there would be something equal, no? Somewhere. Think about it. This
Okay,
C
ma'am.
and this C, they are common. This A, this A, this
Okay,
B,
ma'am.
this B, something. Uh, Ronnie, no, you did a very major mistake. Use it wisely. You did one mistake in the first one itself. The first one, Gauri, the third one, first part,
Yes, ma'am.
it will be positive or it will be negative.
Yeah, ma'am. Negative.
Yes.
Question. For the second one, for +4 +5, can we make it +9?
Where +9?
Ma'am, the third one.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Good, Gauri. The fourth one is also correct. Chakrika, I'm just checking yours, okay?
I didn't get the first one.
You didn't get the first one.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then leave it. I'll tell you that's the simplest. When I'll do it, you'll feel like that was the simplest. If you are not getting it, it's okay. You got the rest one.
Yes, ma'am. I'm doing the last one.
Okay, okay, do it. No worries. If you are not getting, I am there to help. Good, Chakrika. All the answers are correct. Very good.
Ma'am, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Like when there is like minus C or minus A, if we like it's minus C, then down it is just plus C. So what will be the answer for that?
Plus minus 0.
So this what about the C?
Sorry, I didn't get it. What you said?
Ma'am, if uh the sum is like minus C. Then in the down of that is plus C.
Yeah, minus and plus C would be cancelled. No C, 0. You have 1 C and you gave that 1 C to me. So how many C are left with you? 0. So there is no 0 C, only 0.
Okay, ma'am.
Accept the answers.
You are typing it, Aisha? Others
Type.
wait. Let's just wait for I think Ronnie and Khadija, and I think Naeem is about to finish only.
Mom, I'm done.
Who is done?
Khadija.
Khadija have shared the answers.
No, wait. I'll share it.
Okay.
The first one I meant to type is equal to, but then it came as minus.
Sorry.
No, ma'am, the first answer I sent you,
Hmm.
I meant to type is equal to before the answers, but then it
Okay,
came
okay,
as
okay. No problem, no problem. Good, Ronnie. Yes, Ronnie, it's correct.
I by mistakenly got disconnected. Can I just tell you the answers?
Sorry, Naisha.
Ma'am, could you repeat what you said? I couldn't hear you.
I didn't said anything. Okay,
Oh.
students, let's just quickly discuss. Can you explain how to do it? Okay, no problem. I'll just explain. There is a mistake, Khadija.
Ma'am, I typed my answer.
Okay, I'll just. No. The last one, you did a mistake, 9. It's never L4. You remember exponents and power. If you are doing in your school, what I told you, if the bases are same, then the powers get added, na? Here, they are in multiply, then only the powers would be added. How you did it like here? Hmm? Okay. So students, I am doing here all the parts for you people. Let's see. Okay, AB minus BC. Okay, so that means here BC minus CA and here CA minus AB. Yes, everybody? Yes or no?
Yes. Yes,
So over
ma'am.
here, this is positive A, this is this, cancel, 0. Positive BC and negative BC, cancel. Positive, negative, 0. So the final answer is 0. Naim, you got it now, and Khadija?
Ma'am, I typed my answer. Sure.
Wait. Okay, yes. You were confused now earlier? Now it's clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now this one, A minus B plus AB, then B minus C plus BC. Okay. Then C minus A, then plus AC. Yes. So A and A got cancelled, B and B got cancelled. What is left? AB. This also got cancelled. Plus BC plus AC. Yes, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Khadija, you got it?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Should I erase this one now, students, if you are done? Okay. So over here, 2p square q square minus 3pq plus 4. Here it is 5, so 5 will be here. Plus 7pq and minus 3p square q square. Okay. So here p square q square minus, you can even write 1, not a problem. Here plus 5, 4 pq and here plus 9. Yes, everybody?
Yes.
Okay. Khadija, is it clear? You added it, Khadija. You didn't consider this negative sign. You got 5 here. Now
Yes,
it's
ma'am.
clear?
I got confused in that one.
Yes. So you have to just recall the integers part here, that plus minus 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 plus, like that. Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
copy it quickly, Khadija. I'll just wait for 1 more minute and then I'll do the last part where most of the students are facing difficulty. Okay. I hope everybody has done. Now let's just come to the last one. Fine? Yes, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So L square plus M square. And then second one M square plus N square. Third one N square plus L square. And the last one is plus 2L LM plus
L
2
square,
MN
can we write near L square?
square.
Plus L square. Can we write it near L square?
Yes, you will write it here only. Sorry, I didn't get it.
No, ma'am, because N
Oh,
square.
there is L
Oh,
square. I just thought that it is only L. Okay, this is L square and then this, then plus 2NL. So you can see here. Yes. So you got 2L square plus 2M square plus 2N square plus 2LM plus 2MN plus 2NL. Few of the students goes beyond. And over here you can see 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 is common everywhere. So you can even write it like this. L square plus M square plus N square plus LM plus MN plus NL. It's your choice. Okay? Clear to
yes, ma'am.
everybody? You can see
Yes,
2 is everywhere. So that's why I took 2 common and I just wrote the numbers here. Fine?
Yes, ma'am.
Everybody is clear? So you can write
Yes,
it down.
ma'am.